Hi guys, this is me again. My name is Joseph AGK RG. This is the second lecture in my lecture series for children. This lecture series is strictly for children in elementary schools. I hope your children will enjoy this lecture. Now, let us get started. Today, our topic will be triangles. So, what is a triangle? A triangle, you can see the picture here of a triangle right here on the screen. A triangle simply means a plane figure with three sides. Look at the three sides here. 1, 2, 3. See? So it's a plane shape with three sides. It also has three angles. Look at the three angles here. 1, 2, and 3. Now, let us take a look at real life, some things in real life that have the shape of a triangle. The first thing we examine is the Bermuda Triangle. You can see it right here in the picture. Let me make it a little bit smaller so you can see it clearly. Okay. See, it covers this area from Miami to Bermuda and to Puerto Rico. Sometimes they call it Devil's Triangle because so many ships and boats has mysteriously disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. But the bottom line is that that region have the shape of a triangle. Now, how about the traffic signs? You can see this traffic sign here. It has the shape of a triangle. Then pyramids. The sides of the pyramid are a good example. The Egyptian pyramids have the shape of a triangle. Look at this face. 1, 2, and 3. So it has the shape, the faces have the shape of a triangle. Okay. The next is what we call the Truss bridges. So if you look at the side, the structures there have the shape of a triangle. If you look at this one here, you can see from here down this and that, the shape of a triangle. How about a slice of pizza? Oh, I know you love pizza. See, it has the shape of a triangle as well. Okay. Now, so we're going to look at the angles, the triangle. So when you look at this triangle, you can see that it has three angles. 1, 2, and 3. This one also has the three angles. 1, 2, and 3. And when you add all the angles here, 39 plus 90 plus 51, your answer will be 180 degrees. The same thing applies here. When you add all the angles in this triangle, you get 180 degrees. So this leads us to this theorem that the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. Next thing we look at is the parts of a triangle. Parts of a triangle. Look at this triangle. It has the opposite side. The longest side we call the hypotenuse. Then it also has the adjacent side, which is the side that is next to the this angle here, angle A. Also, sometimes we call a triangle. So the triangle has legs. Look at this. This side and that side we call the legs, and the angle at the top we call the vertex angle. Angles at the bottom we call the base angles. Now look at this triangle here. You can see it has a height as well. A triangle also has a height and also a base. Okay, now let us do some math with triangle. The first thing we do is to find the areas of a triangle. The formula is this. Okay, let me make it bigger so that you will. So this is the formula for finding the area of a triangle. It is half times base times height. Okay, so let us use this formula to calculate the area of this triangle. Look at this triangle. It has 3 sides. This side has 3, this side is 5, this side is 4. Let us find the area of the triangle. The area of this triangle. At this point, I'm going to work it on a piece of paper, because like I said before in my other lecture, students understand it best when they watch you do the work on the screen, on the board, or on paper. So I'm gonna do this on paper. So I have drawn the triangle on a piece of paper. So you can see the sides, adjacent side, the height, the base, and the hypotenuse. So we need these 2 sides to find the area. So again, the formula is this: area equals half times base times height. Okay, so this is the base, this is the height. So the area for this triangle now becomes half times 4 times 3. Now, you know that this number 4, you can write it as a fraction by making it over 1. You can also write this as a fraction by making it over 1, which means that you multiply the top, you multiply the bottom. From the top, we have 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So you write 12 right here. At the bottom, you have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. You have 2 here. So that the area of this triangle becomes 2 divide 12, 6. Now, they did not tell us whether this is cm or inches or meters, so we just leave it where it is, or we can just assume that it is meters. Have m squared. So that means this is our area right here for this triangle. See, 6 squared meters. Having found the area, next maths we're going to do here is how to find the perimeter of a triangle. The formula is this. Our perimeter is A plus B plus C. A and B and C represent the three sides of the triangle. Okay, now let us apply this to this triangle. So find the perimeter of this triangle. Okay, so this side can be A, this side can be B, this can be C, it doesn't matter. Those letters represent the sides. Again, I'm going to do this on paper so that you can see how to use this formula here to find the perimeter of this triangle. So I now have the triangle on my paper. So this side can be A, this side can be B, this side can be C. So that the perimeter, okay, equals A plus B plus C. Now I put the numbers. Let's put the numbers in. A, which is 2.42, plus B, which is 3.91, plus C, which is 4.60, that will give us the perimeter. So when you add these two numbers together, your answer will be 10.93 cm. Now, for perimeter, you don't need to make it squared. So that the perimeter of this triangle here is 10.93 cm. So this answer, with this answer, I conclude my lecture about triangles. Remember that this lecture is based on my book, Everything I Need to Know About Triangles. You can see the book right here, and the book is also now available in Amazon. You can get one for your kid. You never know, they might enjoy reading the book. Thank you. Again, my name is Joseph Ejike Oji. I will see you in my next lecture. Bye-bye.